I figure out that pipe with me. I'll show that. So, how it go?
You say shower, but where the pipe go? When they feel it come and they go in that drain. Cause that look like other way to come down.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if you dig deeper, but there's no other reason for it do that the way there. Cause down here so wouldn't have no joining we go that way there.
Alright.
We are record.
Yeah.
But if you say that way here come.
And there we go. Back up.
Then you come to this drain. And then you go out to the kitchen.
I feel like it, I go.
Mm-hmm.
That's how it's this.
But you know you join in ice sewage?
You join ice sewage, but
You know if you say join ice sewage?
you join ice sewage.
How we don't join in there?
I don't know. Remember ice sewage I got that way towards the pipe. It I got that way.
Yeah, it's sewage I go the way there.
Mm-hmm.
But that pipe no look like it runs behind this stuff and gone away there. Because there's no other pipe that the pipe that the bend they not have no connection we go the way there.
Yeah, it's a trap.
Right. So that means you come the way here. But if you say go to the kitchen.
You said the full plumber them do work, it confuse people. So you think they gone in the kitchen, but they gone right in this. I dig up the floor and see. Alright, so before we chip the concrete, we was looking at this trap. This is the shower right here, so we're looking at the trap. And my lady was trying to figure out where this pipe go. She was quite confused and she's thinking that it's going towards the kitchen. This is the sewage right here. So I was telling her that I think it come and it connect into the sewage over here. But also the face basin right there is coming out the floor and it's coming this direction. So I figured it was some kind of craziness going on with it. Remember I couldn't see under the concrete. I don't know how the plumber did his thing. But if you look at it carefully, you can see that the shower water is coming. Also this thing is level. It's level. Alright, so you have a T sitting right here. We all know that you should not use a T in this this fashion right here, where the T is serving the face basin over there, and it's also serving the wastewater from the shower. So it works, but it's incorrect because you have the water coming from the face basin coming here, and it don't have a direction to go, so it's gonna go straight. If you notice the one coming from the shower, it's gonna come and it's gonna make that bend and it's gonna go down there. So this thing right here will cause a blockage, right? So this is the type of plumbing work. A lot of people getting these type of plumbing work. This is quite simple. This is just one of the simplest plumbing work you can ever do, piping work you can ever do. Just really, really simple. You have something to say? Oh, all right. So it's just really, really simple work. Just really, really simple work. Also, someone came in. I don't know. Before I got this house, and they connect. You know what? My lady was saying is this is a 45, but look at this here. It's not a 45. If you look at it, they cut it like in a 45, but they put it on top of the other pipe. Look, if you look carefully, you can see that this pipe. You can see that cut? Mm-hmm. So you see,
They just cut in an
they
angle.
cut the pipe in a certain angle, like and just put it on top of the other pipe. So that means when you flush the toilet, it's always wetting up under here. Alright, so it's kind of wet under here right now, but this toilet has been out of use for years. This part of the house I haven't been living in, so no one has been using this thing here, but that's crazy. Let me dig a little further. I'll get back to this video.
You know, fancy that take that.
People, Jamaican people, look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. Just look at that. Just look at that. So these people just take this thing and put it right here. Just put it right there. So when you flush the toilet, water all under here, wet. All right, so my battery going low. I'm gonna have to cut this film. You know, that's the reason why I make these videos. This is my house. So I'm going through the same thing. Somebody before me, who owned this house before me, had this type of work done, right? So, suppose this was like on top of the decking. If it was on top of the decking, every time you flush the toilet, your house would have been soaking with water. All right. So as what I said, the battery going dead, so I'm gonna have to cut this short. Thank you all for watching.